morning, students. Welcome back again to our mathematics class. Today's topic is properties of addition. What is properties of addition? That I will explain you. We have completed addition, large numbers addition yesterday. Yes? Hope you have done the homework also. Page 29 of textbook. Please open and see. Property 1. We can add two numbers in any order. If we change the order of the addends, the sum does not change. Okay? We can arrange the numbers in any order. For example, 100 plus 50 is equal to 150. That order, if we write 50 plus 100, also the answer will get 150 only. So we can change in any order for adding the number. That is the first property. The second one is, we often use grouping while adding more than two numbers. There is no change in the sum if grouping is changed. For example, textbook has given a very big example. You can see from your textbook. 1,05,24,720 plus 3,12,050 plus 55,20,840. If we regroup 1,05,24,720 separate and 3,12,050 in bracket 55,20,840 together, if we regroup, the answer is not changing. You can see the textbook. I will show you the textbook examples, then you will get more ideas. Okay, see properties of addition. We can add two numbers in any order. If we change the order of addends, the sum does not change. For example, 25,70,381 plus 5,09,650. We can arrange 5,09,650 plus 25,70,381. If we add, the answer will be 30,80,031. If we change the order of the number, the answer is not changing. That is property number 1. Next, property number 2. We often use grouping while adding more than two numbers. There is no change in the sum if the grouping is changed. For example, 1,05,24,720 plus 3,12,050 plus 55,20,840. We want to add these two numbers, 3 lakh and 55 lakh numbers. If we regroup and 1 crore number if we keep outside, the answer will be 1,63,57,610. The same numbers see downside. 1 crore numbers and 3 lakh numbers are regrouped. Okay, and 55,20,840 kept out. Then also the answer is the same. 1,63,57,610. Next, third example means again two numbers regrouped but took the different one. 1,05,24,720 and 55,20,840 regrouped and 3,12,050 number kept outside. And what is the answer? Again 1,63,57,610. That means there is no change in the sum if the grouping is changed. This property can be used to check the correctness of the sum. Addition property number 3. If we add 0 to a number, the sum will be the number itself. For example, 3,57,890 plus 0 is equal to the same number. The number is not changing. The value is not changing. One more example. 0 plus 1,25,634. The answer is 1,25,634 itself. No changes. Next, checkpoint questions. Arrange the following addends in columns and find the sum. And second one, fill in the blanks. Using the addition property, you have to solve the questions. Okay, let's see how to solve the questions. Okay, the question is write the addends in columns and write the answers. In addition, the numbers to be added are called addends, and the result obtained is called the sum or the total. Okay, so we are arranging the numbers in a column and write place value. That is very important, writing the place value upside. Then add the numbers. Ones place add. 1 plus 8 plus 6, 15. 1 carry over. 6 plus 6 plus 8 plus 1 is equal to 21. 2 carry over. 2 plus 5 plus 4 plus 6 is equal to 17. 1 again carry over. 3 plus 1 plus 1, 5. 2 plus 6, 8. And lakhs column 8. Answer is 8,85,715. The same way, next B number. Write place value upside and under place value write the numbers in columns. Then add 4 plus 3 plus 2, 9. 8 plus 8 plus 1, 17. 1 carry over. 1 plus 5 plus 4 plus 9 is equal to 19. 1 carry over. 1 plus 6 plus 3 plus 8, 18. Again 1 carry over. 1 plus 1 plus 7 plus 4 is equal to 13. 1 carry over. 1 plus 5, 6 plus 3, 9. Answer is 9,38,979. Okay, next fill in the blanks. See the first question. 6,501 plus 0. So which property we have to use here? We have to use the property number 3. What is property number 3? We learned right now 3 properties of addition, is it? So the third property is if we add 0 to a number, the sum will be the number itself. See the answer. The answer is the number itself. This is the property number 3. Next one. 16,584 plus 3,418 is equal to 3,418 plus 16,584. Which property is this? This is property number 1. We can add 2 numbers in any order. If we change the order of the addends, the sum does not change. Okay. Next one. Property number 2. There is no change in the sum if the grouping is changed. Here grouping changed. The first 12,529 plus 7,181 is regrouped and 5,982 kept out. Here 12,529 is kept aside and regrouped these two numbers. Got it? So this is the property number 2. The answers are not changing. Answer is not changing. The property number 2 is there is no change in the sum if the grouping is changed. Got it, all of you? Students, we will see one video of properties of addition for clearing the concepts. Okay?
Hat. Associative grouping property of addition. Commutative order property of addition. Identity 0 property of addition. What are some ways to think about addition? Think about this question during the lesson. How many groups are there? There are 2 groups. How many hats are in the first group? There are are 7 hats in the first group. How many hats are in the second group? There are 5 hats in the second group. You can use addition to join groups. What word is used to describe the numbers being added together? The numbers being added together are called addends. What is the name for the answer when adding? The sum is the answer when adding. Let's identify some properties of addition. Study this number sentence. What is different about the addends on either side of the equal sign? The order of the addends changed. What are the sums? The sum of 7 plus 5 is 12. The sum of 5 plus 7 is 12. What can you say about the order of addends? You can add numbers in any order and the sum will be the same. This is the commutative order property of addition. Does anyone know what commute means? Commute means to go back and forth. For example, to commute to work. How can this definition help you remember the commutative property? The commutative property says that the order in which you add does not affect the sum. So you can go back and forth when you add, and the sum will be the same. Study these number sentences. Describe the property that you see in these sentences. The sum of 0 and any number is that same number. This is the identity 0 property of addition. Study these pictures and number sentences. The parentheses show what to add first. In the first number sentence, 3 plus 4 equals 7, and 7 plus 5 equals 12. In the second sentence, 4 plus 5 equals 9, and 3 plus 9 equals 12. So, 3 plus 4 plus 5 equals 3 plus 4 plus 5. What can you say about grouping addends? You can group addends in any way, and the sum will be the same. This is the associative grouping property of addition. Does anyone know what associate means? Associate means to connect or join together. How can this definition help you remember the associative property? The associative property says that changing the way addends are grouped or joined together does not affect the sum. Now you can also use the addition properties to join different groups together.
Okay students, today's class is over. We will meet with another topic in next class. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.